Now, there are many ways to output your CAD drawing. One is to print to paper. The other is to output it to an image file. Many people use PDF files to share documents electronically. In fact, it's extremely common. AutoCAD can do that. It can also plot to JPEG files, PNG files, and DWF or DWFX files. JPEG and PNG are simply image files that can be edited by programs like Photoshop. A DWF or DWFX file are image files from Autodesk that AutoCAD can reference and work with, especially with other software like Autodesk Design Review. Regardless of which file type you want to export to, the process is exactly the same. In fact, we've already gone through some of this in the plotting section of this video, so you can already do this. Let's open up an example file here. Let's look at the dimension example. In this drawing, we have several Paperspace layout tabs. Let's go to print one, use the plot command, press enter. And what we're going to do is set this up to print to a PDF. So I can create a page setup, or I could just print it to PDF right through here. What you're going to do is you go to your printer plotter, find the name, change the settings, you click on the arrow, and you scroll down until you find the option of DWG to PDF.PC3. Pick up your paper size, your plot area, everything else like you normally would. Click preview. This is what it's going to look like. Right click exit. If I want everything to be black and white, I can just go to grayscale or monochrome for my CTB file. Click on the preview, and that's perfect. Right click exit, and then click OK. Find the location for my file, where you want to save it at. I'm going to call it dimension example, dimension.pdf, that's fine. And I'm going to click save. And once you finish printing, you get this little bubble up that says plot and publish job finished. And then it opens it up, because I had that setting turned on, to my PDF viewer, whatever program you use. Now this is great because I can send this to anybody. They don't have to have AutoCAD or an AutoCAD file viewer. They just need a PDF reader, and that can be anything. In fact, a lot of web browsers themselves can just read PDF files. So the PDF file type is a universal type that has been adopted by almost everybody, really, as a way to exchange drawings. The other great thing about this is you don't have to worry about any type of specific AutoCAD settings to print it out. So this is the way it's going to look when you print it out on paper. And that's fantastic. So it removes a lot of guesswork from the printing process for non-AutoCAD users. Now, if I want to print to DWF or JPEG or anything else like that, I go through the exact same process. And instead of picking the PDF, I just find what it is I want to print to. And this is the DWF 6E plot. This is the DWFX. And again, you've seen the PDF. This is published to JPEG, published to PNG. Make all of your regular settings just like you normally would. Click OK, and there you go. That is the best way to get a good quality digital file version DWG file type. This process translates your AutoCAD file into a digital file that is universal, that can be read by anybody with almost any type of software that they already have.